Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aina Madiah. I am from Per class. Okay, in this occasion, I will explain my understanding from second group presentation about guideline for language classroom instruction. In guidelines from language classroom instruction, I got some points. The first is language presentation, and the second is task. The third is facilitation, and the last is correction and feedback. Language presentation. There are three points. The first is meta planning of listen. The second is modalities or material. The last is role presentation and explanation. Meta planning for listen is depend on the objectives a teacher has in mind or listen. And the second is modalities or material. Modalities or material is a teaching talk by using textbook or others like video, auditory, and etc. The last is role presentation and explanation. Role presentation and explanation include 3 points. The first is a framing stage. The second is the focusing stage, and the last is the explanation itself and restatement. The second point of guidelines for language classroom information is task. There are two types of tasks. The first is subjection of a listen the activity, and the last is task types and parameters. In subjection for a listen the activities, there are 5 points. The first is information and motivation phase. The second is input or control phase. The third is focus or working phase. The fourth is transfer or application phase. And the last is borderline activity. Information and motivation phase include warm up, storytelling, setting, and purpose. The second is input and control phase. Input and or control phase include organizational content explanation, language modeling, role play demonstration, and review. The third is focus or walking phase. Focus and or working phase include translation, preparation, identification, game, checking, and decision. The fourth is transfer or application phase. This is include information transfer, information checking, role play, report, narration, and discussion. And the last point of subjection for a listen the activity is borderline activity. Borderline activity is to evaluate the students develop is include testing. And the last is task type and parameter. This is just 1 point that is relevant characteristic. The third point of guidelines of language classroom instruction is facilitation. Facilitation is art of making learning easy for students. There are two types of facilitation. The first is class organization, and the second is aspect of the teacher. Class organization is the way which classroom is organized can have a significant of language learning process. The key participant in classroom organization are the teacher. The teacher or a trainee, individual student or group students. And the second and the last type of facilitation is aspect of the teacher. There are two characteristic teacher to student interaction. The first is question type, and the last is wait time. Wait time is refers to pause which follows a teacher question until student answer. And now we will enter in the last point. In the last point is correction and feedback. Teacher correction is teacher recognize what the kind of error the learner made. There are four types of correction. The first is group correction. The second is self-correction. The third is student-to-student correction. And the last is teacher-to-student correction. Feedback is all students require the feedback. Okay, I think enough. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.